Today we're going to take a look at Level 5's 8-inch trowel. Now these are really nice for one main reason: they're stainless steel. This is not going to rust. This part up here is aluminum, and you get a stainless steel blade. Not rusting is a big thing. I'm not a professional taper, but I do it a lot, and sometimes I forget to clean my trowels. I leave mud on them and they start to get rusty. And let me show you. This is a trowel. This is just a 6-inch. You can see the rust on here from me being lazy and leaving the mud on, but that's not going to happen with these because these are stainless and aluminum, and there's no steel up in here that's going to rust. I love the soft grip. It's a lot nicer feeling than the other brand out there that I usually get. It has nice flex in it. There's no rounded corners on this, but you can round them out just with a sanding pad or a grinder. I find 8-inch trowels are perfect for when you're putting your first coat of tape on, or if you need to get into corners, tight areas. It's a good first trowel to use before you step up into the 12 and the 14s. Really comfortable, nice and light, not gonna rust. Those are my main points on the Level 5 trowel. Level 5 is a mudding and taping brand, and I'm absolutely loving their products. I have so many of them. You're probably gonna see me on all of their pages because I have a lot of Level 5 tools. All right guys, till next time, keep on crushing it, and I'll catch you later.